Regardless of the age and the expense of your current phone system, if it's not a cloud-based VoIP solution, eventually it will die, and usually without notice. Can you be without your phones? Maybe it's time to have your communication solution make you money, instead of costing you money. Unified Communications as a Service solution brings calling, messaging, meetings, video, call center, collaboration, file sharing and much more. The appeal of cloud solutions is there are no large upfront costs. While many businesses still purchase physical phones, there are no other capital expenditures. With Mitel, RingCentral, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx provide cloud calling, collaboration solution and much more. This is a great benefit for businesses of all sizes. UCaaS solutions work seamlessly on a mobile device, allowing customers to connect with your business while employees can work from anywhere. Since no physical box resides on your premises, it resides in redundant and secure data centers. Your business can connect with customers even in the event of a power failure or natural disaster. To set up a demonstration, please click on my calendar button for an initial consultation to set expectations and confirm the best time for all your staff who would like to join the demo.